Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for February. It's this really pretty bag with some black lace. And it has like a little rubber tab. It says Ipsy. The card inside says unzipped. And let's see what kind of products I got. So the first product is Pacifica Beach Crystals Natural Mineral Eyeshadow Palette. 100% vegan and cruelty-free. I like the packaging. Has some nice little holographic design on the front. Everything, this packaging is like insane. I just had to pretty much tear apart the box because it was so tightly in there and it was taped on both ends. I couldn't get out. Now this is taped. My goodness, hold on a second. That was the biggest pain to open, but now that it's open, this is what the shades look like. Have some really nice neutral colors, and it kind of goes into like a purple shade. Very pretty. Also in here, Even Eye Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. Cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, and keeps hair fresh longer. I do use a lot of dry shampoo, so I'm happy to have that. Let's see. Next up, from Mello Precision Pen eyeliner. Just about out of mine, it's getting dry, so great timing for that. Then from Ipsy Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. Full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. Been seeing a lot of concealer products now from Ipsy. I want to say Birchbox too I've been getting stuff from, which I love because previously we did not really see much concealer, if at all. So glad to have that. So far, pretty good bag. Oh, and then we have a Luxie brush. So double-ended. Very nice. So I'm really happy with this bag this month. It's only $10 a month, and you get some nice full-size items, sometimes samples. You always get a really cute bag. So that's what I got for Ipsy. If you guys want to join, I'll leave a little link below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.